Hello Martin, and thanks for your call before. I thought I'd just give you a quick introduction to using the software. Once you've installed the software and you open it up, you'll see something like this. So you can see our web page here, and over on the left hand side there's a whole lot of buttons. So if you choose the button there that says Photo Books, then it will come up with this page. Now you won't have anything here, or you may just have one book here, but this is what you're looking for, the button that says Create New. Click on that one. And now in this area you'll see many different options and book sizes. The fourth one down, square hardcover 12 by 12, is the one that we were talking about on the phone. Once you've chosen that, you've got two options down the bottom. There's the Easy Photo Book Wizard and the Start Empty Book. I think for the project that you're doing, Start Empty Book is the way to go because it gives you the most flexibility. It will take longer to do the book, but I think you'll end up with something that's more suitable for your purposes. So click on Start Empty Book. And what it will do then is actually set up a 20-page book with blank pages. So there you can see how it looks there. Now the next thing you need to do is put your images in. What I recommend with all the photos that you're putting together, put them all in one folder together before you start using the software. Once you've got all your photos in the one folder, you click on, over on this side down here on the bottom left, you click on the button that says Add Folder with Images. So in this case I'm just going to choose a folder called Thailand, but obviously you'll use your own folder with the images that you want there. What it does then is adds all the photos down the bottom along here, and basically that's where you then choose your photos from to put them into the book. Now there's a few options. With your front cover, if you wanted to do a photo on the front cover, you choose the photo that you want and you drag it to the front cover and drop it there. You can do a single page background, so it'll do something like that for you. If you don't like what you're doing, you can undo that. You can also do a picture as a double page background, and you can see this kind of thing, which we reckon looks great. You do need to be careful with the resolution. A book like this one, if you use a double page background, you'll need a very, very large photo. I would suggest you might be better off having one photo for the back cover and one for the front. So for example, you might have your single page background there and a completely separate photo on the back cover. Again, it's only one way of doing it. There are plenty of other options. I'll show you here, for example. You want to put some photos in there. Over on the right hand side, you see all these colors down here. You'll see down the bottom it says Page Backgrounds. Page Layouts is going to be a really useful feature for you. Down here there are lots of different pre-configured page layouts. If you don't like them, you can make your own, but I think you'll find that these will suit your purposes pretty well. You can do single photo or multi-photo pages, so you could have a page like that with just the one image, and once you've got that, you just drag your photo into it, and you can see it's put the photo there. You could also do something with more than one photo, and perhaps with captions as well. So for instance, this one here, drop that one in there, and then you could put one photo in there and another photo in there, and then to change the text you double click on the text area, highlight the text, and write the text that you want there. You can also paste in from a Word document, but it's reasonably effective typing straight in. You can also change the font size. You can change the actual font that you're using, and you can change the color of the font. So it's pretty flexible there, and then if you decide that you don't like where it is, you can move it around. You can also move the pictures around. You can resize the pictures. You can stretch. You can rotate them, and so on. Now there's also some other features that you might like here. There's borders. So for instance, once you've got your